Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to change text to subscript in Microsoft Excel. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Excel spreadsheet. Now we want to change the text to subscript. At first, select any text. Now I am write anything. Now I am write O2 oxygen symbol, then click that, select the 2 and go to the home menu, click the font setting drop down menu, then make the text subscript, check mark on the subscript, then click OK, then click outside and check this. We can see we change the text to subscript easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.